Khushi Tarunet.
Yes, Daya, you can start presenting now. We are coming back to Chandani after this presentation.
Yes, sir. Yes. Yes, good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to present about the Renaissance literature, and my topic is Macbeth and the Great Chain of Being. Let me share my screen. My screen is visible, sir?
Yes, it is visible.
Okay, yeah. Yes. So today's my topic is Macbeth and the Great Chain of Being. So what is the Great Chain of Being? So during the Elizabethan time, people believed that everyone and everything is organized in a certain order, in a hierarchy. And this order is called as a Great Chain of Being. In this order is begin with God, then angels, kings, and then it ends with non-living things. According to this idea, everything in the world is position is fixed by God. God is control everything. If someone in the chain is not doing their responsibility properly, then they will be punished by God, and the great chain will be broken. In Macbeth, we can see that how this chain of being is broken. So, in the very beginning of this play, we can see the scene of three witches. The play is begin with three witches and the quote, "When shall we meet again in thunder, lightning, or in rain?" So, in Elizabethan time, or William Shakespeare's time, they believing in witches or witchcraft, and witches are able to doing such kind of thunder or lightning or storm, and they create day into night or night into day. So in the very beginning, we can see that in this play, the great chain of being is broken, because in this chain there are no. We can see in earlier slide that in photo there are no evil elements in this chain. So when the evil element enters, like witches, the chain of being is broken. Then another scene is King Duncan's murder. So King Duncan's murder is also considered as the act against God. And Macbeth killed King Duncan, and therefore Macbeth is punished at the end of the play, and the punishment has given by God is death. Within the chain of being, within the hierarchy of men, there is another hierarchy, and this hierarchy is men, women, and children. So, do we think Lady Macbeth and Macbeth stay within their roles in the great chain of being? Yes, because if we see a character of Lady Macbeth in the very beginning scene, she is very hunger of power, strength, and ambition. She is ruthlessness and also forcefulness and assertive and decisive. And as she broke the great chain of being, she is not fulfilling her proper role as a wife and woman and mother. And the quote is that I know how tender this to love, the babe that milks me. I would, while it was smiling in my face, have plucked my nipple from his boneless gums and dashed the brains out. Had I so sworn as you have done to this. This is Lady Macbeth's soliloquy, and here we can find Lady Macbeth broke the great chain of being. Uh, and another character from this play is Macbeth. We can see that in the very beginning of the play, Macbeth is very big personality. He is not ready to kill Duncan, and we can see the feminine qualities in him. So when Lady Macbeth encouraged Macbeth to kill Duncan, then he is very nervous, and he said that I am afraid to think what I have done, to know my deed well, best not now know myself. So in this way we can find the great chain of being in Macbeth, and here are the references where I have select my content. Thank you everyone. Thank you.
Okay, let us have questions. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Hello Daya.
Yes.
Okay, so Daya, you have
Hello, Daya.
mentioned that Macbeth was punished in the end. Can you please explain that? Why he was punished by in the end?
Yeah. Yes, yes. Because as I have mentioned that whenever the chain of being is broken, God, Hirar, please mute yourself.
I have already.
I think Daya is
Hello.
disconnected or what? Yes, yeah. Yeah, are you disconnected, Daya? Are you there? I think she's.
Yes. Hello, sir.
Yes, yeah. Give your answer.
Yeah, Hiral. Yes. I have mentioned that whenever the great chain of being is broken, God will punish us. So Macbeth has Macbeth and Lady Macbeth has planned to kill Duncan, and that's why Macbeth was killed at the end of the play.
Okay.
Yes, Jignesh. Yeah, you were asking another question.
Hello Daya. Can you explain what is the meaning of great chain of being? Hello.
Yeah, yes, Vignesh. Great chain of being is it was a system of organizing everything on the earth into a hierarchy or in a order.
Okay.